All right, welcome back to worldwidegiantgrowers.com. What Eri and I are doing today, and Santa, ho, 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 is we are going to pull this pumpkin back. This pumpkin, we're estimating just by educated guess, between it's better than 500 pounds, I can tell you that much. And it's what? Today, what's the date today? August 11th? August 11th, I don't think this thing's a month old yet. So she's doing cranking good, but hey, here's our dilemma. Look at this. We got a kinked vine. You see that little kink? There's a kink in the vine. We got the foam there. We got to relieve the pressure. I was just telling Eri, we don't have to do this, but if we don't do this, this pumpkin will never see 1,000 pounds because it will snap off. And this pumpkin right now is probably doing, I'm going to guess, 25, 30 pounds a day, possibly better. We're not measuring. We're not the measuring kind of guys. We're going to let her grow, as my good friend Gene McMullen says, down in Indiana, it is what it is. Or is that Illinois? I don't know. Illinois, Indiana. Gene says, it is what it is. All right, man. Go ahead, Eri. Start cranking her. I think we're looking pretty good. We're going to see as he cranks it back slowly. I would not do this with a truck or a quad and try to yank it back. Oh, yeah, she's sliding, baby. Check it out. She's sliding. Oh, yeah, look at that moving.
How much more?
I'd give her a little more. I don't see the kink coming out of the stem yet, because the pumpkin's going to grow forward. Okay, hold on a second. The pumpkin, you got to understand, grows forward, as much forward as it does back. So when you get these kinks in here, you got to anticipate. We usually look for better, much better. And look at this spot here. Most people would see that and go, oh my God, I'm doomed. That ain't about nothing, Willis. That's going to heal right up. It already has. It's fine. I notice a lot of the new growers, they micromanage. And they're like, we're not growing BMWs. These aren't Ferraris. They're pumpkins. Look at right there. Little scar means nothing. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. All right. We got the butterfly split in the vine. But go ahead, Eri. Give her a couple more cranks because I don't see it being an issue. Ooh, she's sliding back, baby. Yeah. Yeah, come on, a little bit more. All right, that's good. That's good. I think that's good for now. We relieve the pressure. Look at the pressure. This foam is falling out. It was tight, and now she's out. Cool beans, man. The kink, it didn't disappear, but I don't dare do it anymore because Eri told me that the Birdman said, hey, let us know how it works, because what we did over here, show it, Eri. I think we're good on that. We took two, I call them Greenmans. When I was growing up, they called these Greenman post.
T-post.
T-post. I took these T-post and we pound them in on an angle.
Yeah, just like winching a Jeep out or truck out.
Winching a truck out. So that, hopefully, we'll see. Will those withstand? We're going to have to slide this back again when it probably hits 1,000 pounds. We'll just watch it as she grows, but now we already know we can keep sliding her back. If we got to do it once a week, we'll do it once a week. What's that?
How far did it move?
Oh, we brought it back all of 3 inches. I think we probably quit while we're ahead. We can always do it again next week. And I really don't want to be terminated. If I terminate the pumpkin, Eri's going to terminate me. What do you say, Santa? Ho, ho, ho. And now we're going to do this one. But this one here, instead of putting, it's really not that bad. We could let her go, but I could see it's Sunday. And I got to get busy all week going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it back while I got the day off. And this one here, as you can see right here, the vine is more like, it's pushing forward. It could be slid back. All right, so we're going to hook that up to the back of the truck. We're just going to run a long cable or chain and just use the pickup truck. All right, man. So, hey, growing with Fruit Blaster, Stress Blaster, Humic Fulvic Acid from Morgan's Composting in Sears, Michigan. Another thing I was going to show you is we got a little powdery mildew setting in, and we're going to deal with that. What I'm going to do right here is a couple of leaves. I saw one. This leaf here is real bad. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this leaf off. I'm going to bring a garbage bag out here, cut this leaf off, and throw it in a bag along with this one. Because this plant, if we cut off a couple of leaves, it will mean nothing. Absolutely nothing. But to let all this stuff drift in the air and spread is insanity. And then you can use your own methods of getting rid of your powdery mildew, whether you like chemicals or if you like to do it the organic method with baking soda, milk. You can actually drown powdery mildew in calcium uptake. Calcium uptake will stifle powdery mildew. So there's several ways to try to eradicate powdery mildew. But hey, here comes the train. Woo! Woo! Join us on the Bubba Express, pulling big pumpkins, baby. Pulling them, growing them, keeping them green, man. We'll talk to you soon, man. Join us at worldwide.Giant.Growers.com. Keep them growing. Here she comes. Chugga chugga choo choo. Come on, man, toot the horn. Nope. All right, man. We'll talk to you, man. Keep them growing. It's all good.